the minority leader. Senator,
Nothing new. It's nothing that has not been discussed and that I have not responded to in the period of interpellation.
This is how Reproductive Health Bill sponsor Senator Pia Cayetano describes the speeches of Senate Majority Leader Tito Sotto against the RH bill. For 2 days at the Senate this week, Sotto argues that contraceptives are abortifacients. He claims there's a conspiracy between international and local groups to legalize abortion. RH advocates dismiss the arguments as a rehash, but Sotto's speeches soon give birth to a new issue. The pro-RH Filipino freethinkers point out this part of Sotto's first speech was copied almost word for word from an American blogger. Her name, Sarah Pope, better known online as Sarah the Healthy Home Economist. In a TV interview Thursday morning, Sotto denies plagiarizing Pope. The denial fires up social media. Soon, internet users identify more supposed plagiarized blogs and articles, even in part 2 of Sotto's speech. The situation goes from bad to worse. Hours later, Sotto's chief of staff writes Pope, admitting that the team indeed used her blog, but he didn't exactly apologize. Lawyer Hector Villacorta says both Sotto and Pope quoted McBride, and the senator had a disclaimer anyway.
Ito po, Ginoong Pangulo, hindi po ako nagdudulong-dulungan dito. Hindi ko po iniimbento ito. Itong mga kinokot ko po dito, mga facts na pinatototohanan ng mga eksperto sa larangan ng agham at batas.
Villacorta says Sotto should not and will not apologize, much less resign. The issue takes on a life of its own, complete with the name Bloggergate. RH advocates say plagiarism casts doubt on the credibility of Sotto and his arguments, but the episode must not become a distraction. After all, the battle to pass the RH bill is far from being a footnote. Senator Sotto is still planning a Part 3 and even possibly a Part 4 of his Truna and Contra speech next week. RH advocates say they will allow him to go on, but point out that he hasn't raised any new argument in a debate that has raged on for 17 years. They say the only thing really left to do is to vote on this measure. Ayee Macaraig, Rappler.